Hey everyone, good evening. Last video of today. This is welcome back to a series of videos of me solving LeetCode problems. Let's go. Next one is Pascal's triangle. Oh, one that doesn't have binary trees. Interesting. Given an integer num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it as shown. Okay. So we need to calculate we just need to give everything. Okay. Doesn't seem so hard. Let's go. Like directory 118 Pascal's triangle code 118 solution.py. Print solution generate, and it was 5 that we have there. 5. Okay. So return value is, I can copy it from here. And we start with an empty array. So for I in range number of rows. Okay, so we can start with this. Let's just start with first row. And if num rows equals 0, then return this. I'm expecting the edge case already. So what we do here is so the first row is 0 plus 0 plus 1, and then it's 1 plus 0. So for x in 0 plus return value of I minus 1 plus 0. No, I'm not going to do this with this. Above row this, the list of integers. And now for x in range length of above row minus 1. New row, the list of integers equal to 0, and not 0, empty. And now we say that new row dot append above row of x plus above row of x plus 1. And then return value dot append new row. return value. Let's see. 111 121 1331 1464. Okay. Feeling confident. Submit this. Okay, great. I'm gonna stop this. Took me 5 minutes and 30 seconds. See you tomorrow. I'm tired.